The second running of the Gregory Park Sprint Trophy and the Grooms Association of Jamaica Trophy are the main events on Saturday's 10-race card at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
9 runners will go postward in the second running of the Gregory Park Sprint Trophy for open allowance runners over 5 furlongs round. Heading the lineup is the Stephen Todd trained She's That Girl, the 9-5 Ante-Post favourite, with in-form apprentice Tajay Suku. Also well supported are Florinda at 2-1 with Paul Country Francis, seasoned campaigner Wall Street Trader at 3-1 to be ridden by former champion jockey Christopher Mamdeen, and Money Market, the mount of another former champion Dane Dawkins at 7-2. Having previously contested several Grade 1 races and done fairly well in that class, Wall Street Trader appears poised to land the major share. Despite toting top weight of 126 pounds, the 7-year-old Darby Gelding should not find the distance too sharp and can score his second victory of the year. She's That Girl, Florinda and Money Market are all dangerous contenders who should be on the premises when the major share is being decided. Meanwhile, 9 runners will contest the supporting feature, the Grooms Association of Jamaica Trophy for native bred and imported 4-year-olds and up over 5 furlongs straight. Brompton Boy, to be ridden by Javanil Pattison for trainer Anthony Baba Nunes, is the 3-1 Ante-Post favourite. Strong Mind with 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman is next in the forecast odds at 7-2, followed by Altogether at 9-2 with Paul Country Francis. The day is being dubbed Groom's Day, with all the activities for them being spearheaded by President of the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association, Andrew Azar.
Traditionally over the years, the grooms, and as you well know, the jockeys, have been the 2 worst treated sectors in racing. Many years ago, we started sponsoring the Groom's Day to try and correct this. I think we're going over 10 years now, and this year again we'll be renewing our sponsorship.
Veteran grooms who have served in the profession for between 40 and 50 years will also be recognized on the day. First post for the 10-race card is 11:45 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.